So I'm going to be showing you how to make some gunpowder that you use in ancient China. You're going to need some potassium nitrate, which you can get online in the gardening stores. You're going to need some sulfur, which you can also get online in the gardening stores. And you're going to need a little bit of charcoal that's been powdered down to a really fine powder. You're also going to need a little bit of water. To make a super simple firework, you're going to need some steel dust. You're also going to need some type of filter, like a little bit of mesh. So yeah, first off, what you're going to do is you're going to measure out a 75% of potassium nitrate, 10% of sulfur, and then 15% of the charcoal. And that'll be a basic mixture. You can just, whatever, how much you want to make, you can do that. I've made a 1 ounce batch, and this is just all mixed together. You're going to take a little bit of water. You're going to add little bits at a time. I've already added a little bit just so this can go along a little bit quicker. You're going to add little bits and then mix it. I don't have a spoon, but you can just mix it. Here's just a pocket knife. And just mix it up. And so you want it to be really well mixed. And so it's sort of like a Play-Doh. And keep adding little bits until it's like a nice sort of like Play-Doh mixture. Then you're gonna take the sort of like the mesh, and you're gonna take a little bit. You basically just want it to be able to like stick together, sort of. Take a little bit, put it in your hand, and sort of like squeeze it so you get like a little ball. The finer it is, the better this will work. And put it on your filter, and as you're moving this around, you're going to want to push it through, and what this is going to do is it's going to make pellets. If you can see there, it's making pellets, and I'm trying to keep it moving so because I don't want these to stick together. And basically it's just making little pellets, and once this dries, you're going to leave it to dry. Once it dries, it will basically just let more air go through it, and so the reaction will go along much quicker. So then you're going to let this dry, and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so the gunpowder has dried, and I put it in 2 different containers. This one is just regular gunpowder, and then this container right here I have some of the steel dust in. So first I'm going to put down a little bit of the regular gunpowder. This is all of it. And I did push it through a little bit. I got it wet again, and then push it through a little bit of a finer strainer, just so it comes out a little bit finer. So I'm going to light this one off. So there's the first gunpowder. I just want this one to be completely out. Now, the amount of the steel powder that I put on here might not be enough to make a huge difference, but hopefully you'll be able to tell a little bit. It's kind of windy, so it might be a little bit hard to get this lighter started. But it's still, it isn't super dry. So you could obviously tell it's not super dry. But yeah, that's the second one is what it would be like if you add the steel dust. So there's the result of making the gunpowder.